Set-top box perspective, this is a welcome initiative by the government. What it basically reflecting is the government is very keen on the manufacturing ecosystem picking up in India, and there was a disability factor of domestic versus imports, which to a large extent will get taken care of by this increase. And they are not saying that only the local design products should be selling. I think what they are saying is this will create an environment for international set-top box companies as well as local companies to have a manufacturing base in India and cater to the vast clientele from India, and in the same process give employment and revenue to the country, which invariably comes around to because the same employers are your customers as well for this digitalization. So in all, this is a welcome exchange from our point of view. Phase 1, this phase 2 is March, and a lot of ordering has already been done. A lot of boxes have come in, some are in transit. So I'm not too sure, and I'm not the right person to that an operator will be able to answer more, because they're all been planning this and the boxes have been coming in. There could be an impact over the boxes that come in over the next month. But in the long term, looking at phase 3, phase 4, and especially as you go to further smaller cities, logistics, INR and exchange rate, I think the local manufacturing, if it picks up over the next 3 to 6 months, which is a very high possibility in terms of volume, then to the other areas over the next 1.5 years, they will cater very well. You know, for example, like in phase 1, a lot of boxes got imported, and at last minute they were to be airlifted. That's a huge amount, and that all can be easily taken care by logistics of boxes being made in India. So I think you will see a lot of change happening, and we do hope that in 6 to 8 months we have a huge manufacturing of set-top boxes taking place in India.